Alright, we're at the Midtown Square office building. Look at this. US. Awesome. I believe this was installed by R&L. Look at that. Go to 4. No door close button. Go up. Four. Go back to 101. I like US Square, but I haven't really seen that in the field before. The indicator almost completely works too. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity, US Square buttons with a non-ADA font, just like the door. It's a very basic cab, but it's kind of older and I like it because of that. We're at 1. These buttons I've got. Yep, sorry, no one dropped my phone. My hands are slippery. Let's go up to 4. That's nothing. Here at 4. Awesome. Really? You're gonna close on me? There's a view. Let's go end it on 3 because I want to see an intermediate call station. Let's watch the bun go out. This doesn't run the greatest, but it's okay overall. I mean, for US, this is really good. Awesome. And the door still closes, but anyway, there it goes.